when the new bonding lip router H9 is launched in the beginning of 2025. We are wondering if adding encoding and decoding functions to the H9 bonding routing function will become a better and more efficient bonding live streaming tool. Today, let's take a look at this newly upgraded bonding router HQ. It is a live streaming tool that integrates bonding routing and bonding encoding and decoding. In terms of hardware configuration, this version of HQ has 2 5G card slots and 3 4G card slots, which can achieve 5 card insertion and ensure sufficient network protection in most scenarios. Wired, Wi-Fi, and USB expansion ports also support bonding access. On the other side, there are dual input interfaces for SDI and HDMI. The SDI port is used for professional camera access, while HDMI is used for information access for DSLRs, laptops, drones, and other devices. The USB port supports UVC protocol audio and video signal access. In terms of software design, the development team of LipRouter has designed a dedicated workflow and numerous practical program packaging and production functions for LipEncoder HQ based on more than 10 years of experience in the development and design of Nagasoft live production system. In various occasions, it can be used as a mobile and portable individual live streaming device. How to use this device to do solo live streaming in a professional style? Let's give it a try together. We take common individual live streaming scenarios as an example, such as training and lecture live streaming. SDI interface is used for connecting the camera signal of the lecturer's screen, and HDMI interface is used for connecting the lecturer's PPT screen. On the right side of HQ, use picture-in-picture to create a special effect in the toolbar. The device comes with some commonly used picture-in-picture templates that can be used directly. You can also use a custom canvas to create the arrangement you need, and the size and position of the frames also can be designed by yourself. Choose a PIP style, add a theme background image and push it to PGM. We can also add overlay information such as name tags in the image overlay function bar. In the streaming parameters and platform interface, we only need to set the corresponding parameters, and then we can start streaming. Bonding network is the foundation of event broadcasting, and it is necessary to confirm the normal network status of each link connected and the normal login of bonding accounts before live broadcasting. Of course, multi-device assistance is the more important application method of LipEncoder HQ. LipEncoder HQ is equipped with decoding output function, and using 2 HQs can achieve remote end-to-end audio and video transmission applications. Using a LipEncoder HQ as the transmitter for Venue 1, the Live Plus connection function can be used to transmit to LipEncoder HQ in Venue 2 with extremely low latency through a bonding network. LipEncoder HQ can decode and output to Venue broadcasting devices or large screens through SDI or HDMI for playback. The end-to-end application method can use 2 LipEncoder HQ as a pair of 5G bonding images transmission to achieve audio and video transmission and reception functions that are not limited by distance and space. The core design purpose of LipEncoder HQ is to be used for remote feedback production applications, such as outdoor events like marathons or car road test releases. In this type of application, we can use multi-device LipEncoder HQ and collaborate with Live Plus decoding servers to work together. As the receiving end's decoding server, it can provide Live Plus director code as the access address. Input the 6-digit director code for streaming in HQ will remotely connect the camera image to the Live Plus decoding server. The Live Plus protocol is a low-latency and high-efficiency streaming protocol compiled by Nagasoft, can control latency within a few hundred milliseconds to 1 second. The decoding end can perform frame synchronization operation for multiple device position signals in the same scene. Through the SDI output card, multiple video sources can be decoded and output to the video matrix or broadcasting equipment for live streaming production. The decoding server supports up to 8 high-definition signals or 4 4K signals for access and decoding output. The collaboration between LipEncoder HQ and Live Plus decoding servers can complete the transmission and reception of signals from multiple device positions. In addition, LipEncoder HQ can also be paired with Encoder series live production devices from Nagasoft. The Encoder software ports the Live Plus Internet Protocol. Various program packaging functions of the director can be directly used to create and broadcast programs. It is worth mentioning that the Encoder X series of live production device combines comprehensive functionality with ultimate mobility and portability. With the help of LipEncoder HQ, it can easily achieve multi-device feedback production of live streaming applications. More lip router bonding and NScaster live broadcast programs and more detailed operation tutorials will also be released in succession. You can check our website for more information.